We usually wake up between 5 and 7 a.m. and we start the morning with a glass of water, a lemon shot and a coffee. And after taking some fresh air, we actually jump right onto our desk and start working. And today we have a bunch of things to do, but the first thing we want to focus is the update for our game World Z Defense. In case you don't know, we made a zombie defense game which you can download with the link in the description. It's available for Android and iOS. You have to unlock and upgrade bases, buy different soldiers and defend incoming waves of zombies. Some of you guys gave us feedback, which by the way is really amazing that you took your time to give us suggestions and told us about bugs. We really appreciate it. Thanks. The game is still in its early stages and we want to add more features to keep players engaged, but before working on new soldiers today, I focus on adding a wave health bar at the top of the screen to show the overall health of the current wave. We hope this will make the game a bit clearer and increase engagement.
Actually, the first thing we do is check game analytics to see how everything is going with our games. After that, I import a new zombie model that I created yesterday. They will be spawning groups of maybe 7 at the time, which is why I made them a little smaller so they can be closer together. We also want to add a new gun that does area damage to better defeat these swarms of zombies. So my goal for today is to create a grenade launcher. And after searching for some reference and getting some inspiration, I start modeling in Blender. But now it's around 9 o'clock, we take a shower and we are getting hungry, so it's time for breakfast. Today we make some 7-minute eggs with tomatoes, avocado and some toast, and also another coffee for Mike. After breakfast I keep working on the gun until I am done with it. Now we only need to make a new soldier for this gun.
There are a few more soldiers we want to ship with this update, and for now, players have unlocked every soldier right at the beginning, so we need to add some unlock logic to decide if a soldier is unlocked or not. We start by unlocking new soldiers in the next level, but we might add a different mechanic, maybe cards that players need to collect or something else. Anyway, today we will also start a new project. So last week we got contacted by a publisher. We already have experience with publishers in the past, and actually the way it works is pretty straightforward. You pitch them an idea, if they accept it, you start working on the game, and based on the results of the tests, we will either kill the game or keep working on it. And if the game gets published, they will get a major percentage of the revenue. But they will also help with monetization, marketing and development in later stages. Sometimes they even help with ideation, it really depends. Some offer financial support per project, while others want exclusive rights for all the titles you develop during the time. To be honest, our main priority at this moment is our game World Z Defense, but until the game is profitable, it may take some time, and we still don't want to work with a publisher on this game because we have some ideas that we just want to try out ourselves, and that's why we agreed to work with the publisher on a new project. So yeah, yesterday we agreed on an idea, and today we're going to start with the new project. But first it's lunchtime, so we make some fish with salad and potatoes. And after another coffee and a short break, we are ready to kick in again. Unfortunately, we can't share details about the new game idea, but the first thing we do when starting to work on a new project is set up GitHub so that Roxy and I can collaborate. But what I can say that the game will have some drawing mechanics, so the goal for today is to polish the input, because right now the drawing does not look and feel good, so we will implement a smoothing algorithm to make it look and feel smooth.
I plan out the project a bit more, especially the assets we need, and when I have a clear vision for the art style of the game, I start modeling in Blender.
And with the little tea break in between, we keep working until around 7 p.m. before we go outside for a walk. And the days we don't go for a walk, we try to hit the gym. And actually we're trying to pump up our steps. I mean, they say you should take 10k steps a day, but for us this seems almost impossible. But we are on a good track in increasing our steps over the last few years. Anyway, we get back at around 8 p.m. and after taking a shower, it's time for dinner. And after that, we usually brainstorm a little bit on new game and video ideas, plan our to-dos for the next day and watch some random stuff. And that's it, that's our day. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you liked the video. Ciao.